Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into some groundbreaking car technology that could change the way we drive forever. Panasonic and Arm have just unveiled game-changing innovations in the automotive world. Let's break it down. Panasonic, a leader in electronics, and Arm, renowned for their powerful semiconductor designs, have joined forces to bring advanced tech to the automotive world. This partnership is all about pushing boundaries and improving driving experiences through innovation. So, what exactly is in store for the future of cars? First up, revolutionary in-car electronics. Panasonic and Arm are bringing cutting-edge electronics that can handle the most demanding tasks, from AI-driven features to high-definition displays. Imagine your car seamlessly integrating with your devices, offering personalized experiences and learning your preferences. This means better infotainment systems, smarter navigation, and smoother control interfaces, all powered by Arm's processors and Panasonic's advanced hardware. But that's just the beginning. Artificial intelligence is set to play a huge role in future vehicles. With Arm's chips at the heart of the system, cars will become more intuitive, able to make decisions based on real-time data. This includes everything from smarter safety features, like collision avoidance, to fully autonomous driving. Panasonic's tech will provide the hardware to support these intelligent systems, ensuring that the vehicle learns, adapts, and operates with precision. Safety is always a top priority. Panasonic and Arm's collaboration will enhance safety features with cutting-edge tech. Think automatic emergency braking that reacts faster than ever, advanced lane keeping assist, and smarter sensors that can predict and avoid potential dangers. These technologies are built on the backbone of high-performance processors, ensuring that the car reacts with lightning speed to keep you safe on the road. Many of the most exciting aspects of this partnership is the push toward connected vehicles. With Panasonic and Arm's tech, cars will communicate with each other and their environment, sharing information about traffic, road conditions, and more. This will pave the way for safer, more efficient driving, where your car is aware of what's around it and can make real-time decisions based on this data. So what does all this mean for you, the driver? With these advancements, you can expect a smoother, safer, and more intuitive driving experience. Whether it's AI helping you avoid accidents or in-car tech enhancing your daily commute, Panasonic and Arm are setting the stage for a major shift in how we drive. The future of cars is brighter than ever. And with Panasonic and Arm leading the charge, we're in for a revolution. Stay tuned for more tech updates and innovations. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with the latest in AI, big data, and cutting-edge tech.